Yes, it's a boy BAD Vafanexi back on the YouTube channel after a very, very long time. I was on the music channel. If you don't know the channel, please check it out on the screen right here. So, in today's video, we are reading to Stana Green, testing Guababa level. Oh, testing Guababa level, episode 10. Gone Wild with Sparkle. I think Sparkle, I know this girl, but I'm not sure. But I think I know her from TikTok or something. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video, guys.
Hey man, this is your boy Stana Green 11 back on the Sputnik. I'm going crazy, man. Yeah. So today I'm here with the one and only. You know the name, you know the face, and the
Yeah, I know this girl.
name is
Sparkle.
Sparkle. But if I'm taking a Sparkle, we're going to go about test. So we win you.
Alcohol.
Under the influence, Wanak. Nah, she's under the influence. She's intoxicated. But let's get on with the video.
Ai wa fetu ke majwala wa fetu remoki to testa go wa tsa wa fetu moki ro ba tsoba gona bolelle banyana ora ba tsoba bolelle banyana na wa ngisha ka time ka nako so wa fetu. This is basically the last episode. So watch until the end and hit the notification bell to get notified next time I do the drop, and
Go do everything that he says on his channel and do it on mine.
tell them to subscribe and do the most.
Please subscribe. Subscribe.
Yes. Yeah, Mam Terwata, a special episode with Sparkle. So if it's your first time, make sure you hit the notification bell once again to get notified next time we do the rock drops. And from me, watch until the end. Wafit. Wauchorbo, balabella until my fellow video fell.
Video keep telling my fellow, please.
Kata megana go wafit. Aye, time.
Don't need her. Please her. Please her. Don't need her. Three baby.
Hey man, get your braga muki or din sambara.
Ay, nake stela boso ra wena mpya.
No, it's like mana tang na jo ba ntshwara. So miskina chizu wena bolele banyana mpya.
Mpya bo every day in bo.
Every day, every hour.
Bo each and every hour, each and every minute mpya motsotso ka motsotso. Time.
Shesa.
Abash.
Wo penyu tse pa ke pisa chizu.
A chizi ke penyo gore mpya ke penyo mpya eno shimantse penyo mpya time.
Ke shore ta itso penyu li.
Straight mpya.
Ai na stress bra. So banyana wona ro etso ro bolala bona.
Bo na chu.
Every day.
Motsotso ka motsotso.
Sha bonyolo so inga tisha ngwanyano ka chofa le no ka zama
Ke re
number.
bo na choose. Number inge
Ine tsa manyana.
te mona. Inge
Ai na floor.
Tawe.
Ba di thata ra mo. Eno tswa ka number chizu.
uthola number boso. Tsama ya mbili.
Ak sharp, brafan me.
O sharp.
Ki sharp, brafan me.
Yo, ena ke stela motho.
Immediately I hear Brafan May from a girl is crazy. This is a woman. Brafan May. Chill. Brafan May, first of all, no hate towards people with gold and silvers, whatever you put on your teeth. But then, if you're a girl and you have a gold tooth, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. So that was the first red flag. Second one, Brafan May. Come on. Yo, this guy was gonna chat. Feel me?
Apo a ke tse bontse go direng.
A ja o ka brafan.
I get to you, yeah.
Gape bo nna thusa pe nna ke tse ka wena thusa ke tse bona go.
Dog, some young from a girl is crazy. Okay, it's not crazy, but then when you are trying to flirt and she says some young, that's crazy.
Ana wa re ke na le motho brafan be.
Okay.
Le motho.
Yeah.
Fa mpotsa ka motho wa mo nna go botsa ka nna gape ntwa.
Hello, yo go re di exchange.
Bo na tlo ro dira ngake. Nna go botsa ka nna gape nusho.
A re go fe number ta bolela phone.
Tawalla phone wa.
Yeah.
So mara nna go ratile nna mpile o ta dira eng.
On radile.
Go ratile.
A re tane lokish.
Tana luki sai. Sa video tlo ro ta dira ngake.
O ta di ai.
Nisha number mo ke mo
Tao fana mo fana.
tseme
Abana ba?
abashi.
What I've noticed about dog us paid, we don't like speaking English. I don't want to say them, but then let me just say us just two. You feel me? We don't like speaking English that much, so it's very hard to speak English while you never speak it a lot. On top of that, you're drunk. That's crazy. Cause even me, dog, if it wasn't for South Africa with these many languages, I was gonna speak Sepedi, dog. Can't lie.
Oe, ka speech nyana 2 minutes. Better drive.
Ke jere number street or
Why the fuck you lying?
Asuro jeri number. Ino baloro unyo gore yena unyo komphazamisha bontsho re a kgodege.
Ya rata ma. Orori o je.
Ono baloro yena unyo komphazamisha nna ke a mmotsa re ke na le motho. Ke motho a motho.
Wetso wena o monyake.
Awa ke monyake ena re motho go modimo.
Wena o monyaka tshisi.
botsa mfethisha nna ke o nyaka na mpile ona o nyaka
Ana ke na le motho brafa.
aya ke rara o nyaka na
Go nyake.
gora gore
Straight.
na mpile re ga mo di doile so
Di doile
Wena wa
a di doile ga moggo
e.
tseme
yes. Makompata o bolaya tshisi bo ka thebe ka dao go to the next one of it. Cheers. Hey man, this is your best an agreement na mammo boss.
Hi, join us. Busy pay for much. Busy pay for much. 1, 2, 3, chesa.
2, 3 shesa ele se mogotso wa ka ele se
O re di gambra.
ga ra wena o tshwanna go go ronya ga
Ke re performance la ga ke ra tshisi. Ga ke lo tshedi massive fa ntshwara.
Yeah.
So Brian na mamtha ke phela go ke ra ka di what yelo ke nyoko tse botse bolelle banyana na.
nna
Eh.
I don't speak to girls. I'm speaking to the fans. Don't follow me.
Do you see what I'm talking
No.
about?
I don't speak
Dog, the English is crazy. And this is a problem, guys.
to girls. I'm speaking to the fans. Don't follow me.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
I don't speak to girls. Ke bolela banyana ba o follow as the fans.
That's the fence.
Yeah.
So no so gonyo lo so nga bya longwanyana on the spot ro ka zama number.
Yeah, which means I will speak to the fans.
fence.
As the followers.
Better drive mo.
Aye, go 5 mtlhabonga jigelela.
Ka no chofa le yena.
Hello mama.
Hi Pussy.
Dinza.
Ke sa bona.
It's Mr. 1 2 3 shesa.
Elise mkhotsi wa ka.
Yebo,
Elise.
Nah, W Rees, I won't lie. W Rees.
Oh mama.
Hi Pussy.
Dinza.
Ke sa bona.
It's Mr. 1 2 3 shesa.
Elise mkhotsi wa ka. Elise.
I mean, I won't lie. A win is a win.
Yebo, how's the day?
Ke sa bona.
Actually, hopola ha.
Hey.
Elise.
Yebo, how's the day?
Ke sa bona.
You see what I'm talking about, dog? English is a problem in South Africa. I won't lie.
Actually, hopola ha. Nice to meet you, my friend.
Yeah,
As the follower,
nice to
ne?
meet you.
Kita follow up bag.
Please.
Aye.
Hey.
Kisa sele.
Pussy.
Kisa sele. Oh. Oh, kisa sele.
Wait, move.
Oh, kisa sele.
Mara Pussy.
Kisa sele.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ora tsuzu topa sister. Ndega fonya. Wa fetri ki ora la ora ka type ka ra tsoro feife. On to the next one of it. Cheers. Hey man, this is your boy Stana Grim 11 back on the spot. It's Rimpio lo mo mambra.
Ke melo mpiaga
Melo.
ya
Oro dia nga choose.
na ka ra wena mpiaga na re tailwa choose wa re
Oro
bona
ke majwa la straight Time.
yes
Wa ngwisha. So a choose one of la banyana ka re ya bona re
Ambia ka onora chu.
banyana o tono bolela le bona
Onora mbia.
orore ape mo di category tse dintšha choose
Lo no no bona mbia wa.
orore teste gwa baba
Ambia ka onora.
tsara sa choose
Jalo chu wa chu.
thadara
Kam
o tsaka number mo mpya
Na na sa chu ka yona. Tsamayo. Na ga ra wena.
ana ke shapa ka we
Oyi woni wa.
vaya
O re fa o re wa.
ba ga mne ngisho ke bone jang vaya eng
Na po wa tsore ke nyaka ena.
asingonko ke me tlo go tsaka nyaka
Ke nyaka dinamba mphethu a ke tsebe. Re ba tsheng ntho tsa bonala a ke tsebe wona woni.
o isha ka namba tsa ona tsa gago
Watch out. Watch out. Well, that's crazy, dog. You know where I am. But that's crazy, dog. You know what I want with your number. You know what I want. You know I want to. You feel me? You feel me?
Mara bo.
ona tsa gago
Ke na le tsona mara
a bona re ke bompia ntumana a bona re ke bompia mara
bo. Dai. Ke no ngono ba lo wena.
Nah. Pull up, we fighting. Now we fighting. Ke bompia. Bompia.
A go reng e bula ka tseng go tshwana.
just for status check se phara o tla le mantlo o mfonela ka bo ma 1 bo ma 2 am mo le tena ba tla tsa no reng
Bona.
daylight fela
Bo le di date a ke tsebe table for tour a ke tsebe wona woni wa.
ke tse di date le ba shi na ke shi team le nngwe ma
Wa o shi ja ka botse.
ke shi team ba shi ke shi le banya
Rara ke.
wena o tse sharp mara for na
Rara ka tshisha ma.
ya wena sharp mara not for
Rara ka shotha ka eng so a ke tsebe wona botana.
a o shota ka medemo mara no ba lo re ke se
Madam,
a o se nna le nna ke ne batho ba
Batho bao sambo ja ka batho ba mana batho ba mona ra ba cancela ga nyuala ka tsebe.
ke tla la team le nngwe ke tla
Team e le nngwe?
One thing I realized about my compo, the remake is crazy. You don't want to know whether you're dating or whether you are having a talking stage with someone, dog. They don't care. They don't care.
Angayilukisha mntu wasentola bisho.
ayilukishe
Ayilukshe. Hey why?
ne bashimane ba mpo
Ba bara. Rara ka bara ka nama.
o le se tumbo
Matape ba kana ka seminata a ke tsebe. Tseze. Mara bo.
ya pala sa choose
A ke tsebe mara o ka dia number. Re ta luksha mo founung a ke tsebe.
ka moya ka mo khopelang ka ona no le phone mo tsona mo potsa ntwe nyo potsa yona mo wena sha
ba botse gore ba shapa choose gane a look tse botse di look tse ba fetile a choose
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Chunga no kana mara mara kana ka nama.
ke sha ke tla la team le nngwe ke tla le team ya bashimane ke tla la netball le sing soccer
Arabete transfer. Wa ta mo soking a ke tsebe.
go ba sekere wena go nna o le ultra sharp mara not for nna nna ke sharp
ora ke type ya
ai type ya ka
a choose no ga wa le shitse ba botse ra sona type ya go
Mbotse type ya.
type ya
Wena mbotse type ya.
go botse type ya no
Can't lie, at this point we're just yapping. Dog, she's dating girls. Why don't you just accept the L and move on? Because right now you're losing aura. Every second you're losing aura, boy. Relax. Ofala pondo.
wo no mo gana nna ko as in like a ke nyake like why a se type ya
But now, Ujolo, She's dating girls. Why don't you just understand that and accept? Oh, no. The whole 20 minutes speaking about the same thing, dog. We are not here to play. We are here to see others. Let's move on, please. Can somebody tell us to move on? Stanaman.
Wena nyaka batho ba disui. Ba tla tere 60 mo.
After the formal.
Ke tshaba basadi ka felelo mo. Ma. Camera se ba bone. Asiba bone. Shika hape.
Stana, what shika hape.
Raskalema. Mara let's go mere. Shapa ena stress re. Ke za mo mguga. Na ke dilo tsu. Tshaba basadi na. Ke tshaba basadi ka felelo moya. A ke banya ke botho.
Sona ke no sa.
Ask re bo wena o no ke re ka re basadi. Wena o mosadi ama.
Tshwana le pitbull
Mosadi ama. Bare. Tsi go shela pitbull re. Na ya change.
Ela batho ba moletse na bane. Ela batho ba moletse mamela ngena ke futhumetse. Ke le bone le re patametse. Mara ke tshwere mashele motoko ba re nna ke se sebetse. Mara ke tshwere mashele motoko ba re nna ke se sebetse. Abashe. Sa batho mo yimbe golo. Sa to le go sha bothoko ke phete bolo ke tswampolo. Pholo wa le jolo ka le selana ke traka dikolo ngwana wa borago sa bobedi ke bo file teki ngwana go sisi le di family ke di enemy a ke gane ya ke tse sekolong maroto tala ke pusha sport a ke gane ya ke tse sekolong maroto tala ke pusha sport ba re kala katana ke pesha ka ena Steve tala ba no pena ka I reach Steve tala but yeah you know the song
Kala itse ba braja e shino o re nthabetse nyana mara la itse
pitbull ke
pholo phela wala tsolo ala zela ba mmisa ka ngwana bora ba mmisa ka time kana go fit so skinny on to the next one buffet this has to be let's find another dude so that re bone re botse re tela ka type ya ba jwa ngwa ka time kana stay tuned hey man is your boy ke wila gape le rapsi wa marapsi ka time kana go we bone jonga chizi
na re tagile na re nyaka no bona re betshilelo tša gona
ka time kana wena bila o sa nyaka intro ya go reng o phela o lana ka mo
na wa tsebe
ka time kana
thank you
go ratetse nna like go ratetse na ke tsere wena o ka no ba o sa ratna nna ke ratetse wena like Osh Karamaima o ka re o le China
wait
ka no ba o sa ratna nna ke ratetse wena like Osh Karamaima o ka re o le China
I thought I knew this girl I don't know her
hello chizi hape nna ke wa tseba ke nyaka o bia le digwa mamtha ke nyaka o krela motho gore ke to bia gwa ba test until o kra motho chizi
ke tona te kreela wa tsi
I know flop tora so chizi ke bitse ngwanya
me
hello
hi oya siapena tsana na go ona le motho motho o like mara ke re wa tseba gore mo bophilong ke perekishano o ka re bona le motho vele le no bia se ke na le motho mara batho ba rena a ba go no go botsa ka nna le wena o ka ba motho wa tsore o ka no bona le motho le nna ke na le motho le ka se botse mara wa tsore ya kgona gala gore nna le wena like re be busy ntse o na le motho ke na le motho like low key wa itse
no
guys subscribe so I can be able to pay premium yeah
Luena like re be busy ntse o na le motho ke na le motho like low key wa itse
no
wena o e bona ya ntabe lesome
I think so
you think so
okay
ono bona la re nto e deliverang ka kwa mpete
redemption better
mo philong ke perekisha na le motho ebile nka se botse mara wa tsa gore ya kgonagala gore nna le wena like re be busy ntse o na le motho ke na le motho like low key wa itse wena o e bona yona tabeng lesome
I think so.
you think so o no bona le gore nte o e deliverang ka kua mpeteng ska seyo ke sure skero sa load.
Is sexual reach the method groove? I mean, I don't know. I don't speak to girls.
Louis.
Okay. Okay. I mean, being sexual is not crazy if the girl if the girl is reciprocating the energy, so you don't come off as a creep or something. So I guess W game. Win is a win, I guess.
Don't text.
Go text. Kai IG.
WhatsApp.
Kena, you know ba? I got WhatsApp something give a time. What if for money? Something ku sure is kana go
Regisha.
tse di so abele monna kana go tse so ba le monna. IG. Ai na flow pai. Kano text ra bontshe no ringe re ka tsang ra bia ra tlola batho ba rena ke ba rena mara obviously nna nga ba motho o ntse o na le motho le nna ke na le motho ya khona
mo ke se menatsa ke betha ka wena straight o tshwere sparkling water
lo tse di sharp lo tse dangerous lo tse o deliver lo tse di sharp ka mpete lo ai
mo tso betela
360 more
I know.
360 ke bona something
treme
a ona re ka no fa no like
Dog, El cameraman, I won't lie. You wanna see the bunda?
ano bona gore ko ratana le motho lo ru deliverang ka mpete
wa go shara experiment so
like ke tse gore ke gotleletseng
nnete ke yone
ha na flop di camera tse ya re di tushe mo requesting re bone re ka diang ra be
a wa fetri ke yona kana ka mogo wa fetri na go nyelo so aksana time ya ke phethile fetile so ba fethu nna ke thakantsa batho le batho ka time ka nako it's a wow bo grege
Kaijon.
The socials.
Sparkle ko Facebook. It's Sparkle 0 ko TikTok. Instagram Sparkle.
Baska o chabela rapselo a baska o chabela gere.
O chabile.
Ai rapsu to gala msadi.
On Instagram ski. E coming share.
Wena choose. Wena choose.
na diarbetho le ka gorotman lo tse
diarbetho Cut time go this is the end of the video, and if you enjoyed, make sure you hit the notification bell to get notified next time we do the drop. And let's pack it time go le bone jwa hakenyana mukukenyana molatsonyana aye if you enjoyed, make sure you hit the notification bell to get notified next time I do the drop, and subscribe by choose
bo le ntshwareng kwa loka o fela social media go gona ka moka Twitter
if you enjoyed, make sure you hit the notification bell to get notified next time I do the drop, and subscribe by choose
bo le ntshwareng kwa loka o fela social media go gona ka moka Twitter ke na di rapsi TikTok di rapsi Instagram di rapsi ka ba le Insta account ke go sepela go di bona Facebook tumelo rapsi
time thanks for the video ne. But to comment down below if you want her on the hot seat. So
we want her on the hot seat. Okay. We want her on the hot seat. Ice. That's crazy. That's crazy. Also, this is my music account that I'm breaking into, so yeah, I can't. So anyways, guys, if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, catch you in the next video. It's your boy BAG Vafanixi. Peace.